What's up, guys? I am just west of Ottawa, Illinois. I have just entered the 15% hatched risk. My target area is Winona, Illinois, and I will see you guys when I get there. I think I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine and just kind of convoy alongside him for today. I'm gonna be going to a Casey's, just stopping there for a little bit, maybe plan out, wait for a storm to initiate, and then we'll get on the road and chase them east into Indiana. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Had to stop and get these and some roasted cashews here at the Casey's. We are in Winona, Illinois. I just filled up my tank. Only lost about a quarter of gas heading here, so it wasn't too expensive, but storm initiation is supposed to start here in about 45 minutes to an hour. And I just, got here a little bit early just to chill, plan out some stuff. And yeah, we're here in Winona, Illinois. It is very, very flat. Hopefully something initiates near here. We get on the back side of it and chase it over into Indiana and get some good footage. So we'll see you when the first storm initiates. Oh, good lightning flash there. We got a big base off there to the left of the camera. Hopefully this drops something soon. It's reorganizing. Yeah, I think me and my group here are gonna stop shortly, but this base looks pretty good. I think we're gonna have something big here. We've got crazy inflow here coming into this tail end. I don't really know what else to say, but just look at this thing, dude. This thing is crazy. Oh my God. I'm not sure what town we're in. We're in Illinois. We got a rapidly rotating wall cloud. Oh my God. There it goes.